Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Here is possible for a unique design kids room wall decoration ideas. This video, I hope you like my video, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more videos update. Let's now get ready to transform to your child room into the vibrant and fun space in this video. We are sharing the 10 amazing wall decoration ideas that will inspire your child creativity and personality from colorful and artwork to your unique one. The calls to got you covered, watch now and get decorating. Want you create a kids room and that both fun and functional. We are sharing our top wall decor. Ideas to help you do just that, from the themed morals to dye projects. We are conveying it all, watching to now and get ready to transform to your child space. Looking for the wall decor inspiration for your child room? You are in the right place. Our video is packed with fun and creative ideas to help you create a space that both playful and stylish. Watch now and get ready to unlock your child creativity. As a parent, you want your child room to be reflection of their personality and interests. In this video, we are sharing our top wall decor ideas help and you create a space that both fun and functional, from sports themed and decor princess to perfect design. We got you covered to watch now. Unleash your child and creativity with over